Every night, millions of people lose hair while sleeping, not slowly but silently. No pain, no warning. Doctors rarely explain this, but one common bedtime mistake shuts down hair roots completely. Fix just one food habit, and dormant hair can wake up again. Stay till the end. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below to tell us where you're watching from. Hair loss after 50 is something many people quietly accept as permanent. You notice more hair on your pillow, in the shower drain, or your scalp slowly becoming visible. Most seniors are told this is just age or genetics and that nothing can help except expensive treatments. But Japan's oldest doctors explain something very different. Hair does not suddenly stop growing because of age alone. Hair weakens when the scalp and hair roots stop receiving the nutrients they need, especially at night when repair should happen. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and restores blood flow. If the scalp does not get proper nourishment during this time, hair roots become weak, thin, and inactive. This is why many people see hair getting worse even though they try shampoos or oils. The shocking truth is that what you eat regularly matters more than what you apply. Certain traditional foods have been used for decades in Japan to support hair strength from the inside. These foods do not work overnight like magic, but they slowly reactivate weak hair roots and improve scalp health. One of the most respected foods in this tradition is something very small, simple, and often ignored. Number 4. Black sesame seeds are considered one of the strongest natural foods for hair health. In Japanese culture, black sesame seeds have long been linked with strong hair, darker color, and healthier aging. Black sesame seeds are rich in minerals that support hair roots, especially minerals linked to strength and pigment. As people age, hair often turns thin and gray because the roots lose nourishment and blood flow. Black sesame seeds help support the scalp by improving circulation and delivering nutrients to hair follicles. Another key benefit of black sesame seeds is their support for hair moisture. Dry scalp leads to weak hair that breaks easily. The natural oils and nutrients in black sesame seeds help keep the scalp balanced and nourished, which creates a healthier environment for hair growth. Black sesame seeds also support the body's natural repair process. During sleep, the body rebuilds tissues, and hair roots are part of this process. When black sesame seeds are eaten regularly, they provide steady nourishment that helps hair roots recover instead of weakening further. Many seniors notice that hair shedding slows down first, followed by hair feeling thicker and stronger over time. It is important to understand that black sesame seeds do not act as a quick fix. Hair growth takes time because hair grows in cycles. The goal is not speed, but consistency. A small amount regularly is far more effective than eating too much once in a while. Overuse does not bring faster results and may upset digestion. Another reason black sesame seeds are valued is that they support overall health, not just hair. Healthy hair depends on healthy blood, digestion, and balance inside the body. Black sesame seeds gently support all of these systems together. When the body becomes healthier, hair growth naturally improves. This is why Japanese doctors focus on simple daily foods instead of harsh treatments. Black sesame seeds prepare the scalp and hair roots for deeper repair. In the next part, we will talk about 2 more foods that work directly on hair structure and strength, helping weak hair become stronger from the inside. Number 3. Eggs are one of the most trusted and widely recommended foods for hair strength, especially after 50, because hair is made mostly of protein and eggs provide exactly what the hair roots need to rebuild. As people age, the body becomes less efficient at using protein, which directly affects hair thickness and growth. This is why hair becomes thin, weak, and breaks easily. Eggs provide high-quality protein that the body can easily absorb and use during repair, especially at night when hair follicles are most active. Eggs also contain important nutrients that support the scalp and hair roots, helping them stay strong and active instead of shrinking with age. When the scalp is nourished properly, hair roots are able to hold onto hair longer, which reduces daily shedding. Another important role of eggs is supporting hair structure. Weak hair often snaps because it lacks internal strength. Eggs help rebuild the strength from inside the hair strand, making hair feel firmer and healthier over time. Many people notice that after regular egg intake, hair fall slows first, then hair feels thicker and stronger to the touch. Eggs also support the scalp by helping maintain healthy skin balance. A dry or irritated scalp can weaken hair roots, but eggs help keep the scalp nourished and calm. It is important to consume eggs in a simple form, as heavy or fried foods can disturb digestion. 1 egg a day is usually enough to support hair repair. Eating more does not speed up results and may burden the body. Consistency matters more than quantity. When eggs become a regular part of the diet, they quietly support hair from the root level instead of forcing fast changes. Number 2. Protein smoothies work as a powerful support system for hair recovery because they provide steady nourishment in an easy-to-absorb form. After 50, many people do not eat enough protein, or their digestion becomes weaker, which means hair roots do not receive what they need. A protein smoothie helps solve this problem by delivering nutrients in a gentle way that the body can use without stress. Hair follicles are living cells that need constant nourishment. When protein intake is low, the body prioritizes vital organs and hair growth slows down. This is why hair becomes thin and lifeless. A protein smoothie helps ensure that hair roots are not ignored during this process. Another benefit of protein smoothies is improved blood support. When the body receives balanced nutrition, circulation improves, allowing nutrients to reach the scalp more efficiently. Better blood flow means hair roots stay active instead of becoming dormant. Protein smoothies also help support overall energy and tissue repair, which indirectly improves hair growth. Many seniors feel tired or weak due to poor nutrition, and this stress affects hair health as well. By supporting the body's repair system, protein smoothies reduce internal stress that leads to hair loss. It is important to keep the smoothie simple and natural. Adding too many ingredients or sugar can reduce benefits and disturb balance. The goal is nourishment, not stimulation. A simple protein smoothie taken regularly helps the body rebuild hair roots slowly and steadily. Hair growth does not happen overnight, but when the body receives consistent support, the hair cycle begins to normalize. First, shedding reduces, then hair strands feel thicker, and over time, new growth becomes noticeable. Protein smoothies also support overall health, which is essential for long-term hair recovery. Healthy digestion, stable energy, and balanced nutrition all work together to support hair growth. Eggs and protein smoothies work best as a pair because eggs provide solid building blocks while smoothies help deliver nutrition smoothly and consistently. Together, they strengthen hair from the inside without stress or harsh methods. In the next part, we will discuss the final and most gentle food that supports scalp balance and hair growth while improving overall health, completing the system for stronger, healthier hair after 50. Number 1. Yogurt is one of the most gentle yet powerful foods for supporting hair growth after 50 because it works by balancing the scalp and improving nutrient absorption in the body. Many people focus only on hair roots, but healthy hair cannot grow if the scalp environment is unhealthy or if digestion is weak. As people age, digestion often slows down, which means fewer nutrients reach the hair follicles even if the diet looks good. Yogurt helps solve this problem by supporting gut health, and a healthy gut is directly linked to stronger hair growth. When digestion improves, vitamins, minerals, and protein are absorbed more efficiently, and hair roots finally receive the nourishment they need to grow. Yogurt is rich in natural nutrients that support scalp health, helping reduce dryness, irritation, and imbalance. A calm and nourished scalp allows hair follicles to stay active instead of shrinking with age. Another important benefit of yogurt is its role in protein support. Hair needs a steady supply of protein to stay strong, and yogurt provides this in a form that is easy to digest, especially at night. This gentle protein support helps repair weak hair strands and supports new growth without stressing the body. Yogurt also helps regulate inflammation inside the body. Chronic low-level inflammation is a hidden cause of hair loss in many seniors. It weakens hair roots slowly over time. Yogurt helps calm this inflammation, creating a healthier internal environment for hair growth. Many people notice that when inflammation reduces, scalp discomfort improves and hair fall gradually slows down. Yogurt also supports moisture balance. A dry scalp leads to brittle hair that breaks easily. Yogurt helps maintain hydration from the inside, which supports smoother, healthier hair strands. It is important to consume yogurt in a simple and natural form. Sugary or heavily processed yogurt can reduce benefits. A small serving is enough to support hair repair. Eating more does not make hair grow faster and may disturb digestion. Consistency is the most important factor. When yogurt is eaten regularly, it helps stabilize digestion, improve nutrient delivery, and maintain scalp balance. These changes may feel slow, but they are signs that the body is repairing itself properly. Yogurt works quietly and steadily, which is why it is often used in traditional routines for long-term health. Over time, many seniors notice their hair feels softer, stronger, and more manageable. Hair shedding reduces first, then hair texture improves, and gradually new growth becomes more noticeable. Yogurt completes the system by supporting the foundation of hair growth, which is overall health. In the final part, we will bring all these foods together and explain how they work as a complete system to support hair growth, scalp health, and overall well-being after 50. When these 4 foods are used together, they create a complete and natural system for supporting hair growth after 50. Each food works in a different way, but all of them support the same goal: helping hair roots recover, strengthening the scalp, and improving overall health. One food nourishes hair roots with minerals, another rebuilds hair structure with protein, another ensures steady nutrient delivery, and the last balances digestion and scalp health. When combined, they support hair growth from the inside instead of forcing quick results from the outside. One of the biggest benefits of this routine is reduced hair shedding. Many seniors first notice fewer hairs falling during washing or brushing. This happens because hair roots become stronger and are able to hold onto hair strands longer. When shedding slows down, the hair cycle begins to stabilize, allowing new hair to grow more normally over time. Another important benefit is improved hair texture. Weak hair often feels dry, thin, and lifeless. With proper nourishment, hair strands become smoother, thicker, and more resilient. This routine also supports scalp health. A healthy scalp is essential for hair growth. When the scalp is dry, inflamed, or imbalanced, hair roots weaken. These foods help maintain moisture, reduce irritation, and improve circulation to the scalp. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach the hair follicles, which supports growth and repair. Another key benefit is improved overall health. Healthy hair depends on a healthy body. These foods support digestion, energy levels, and internal balance. When the body functions better, hair growth improves naturally. This is why traditional approaches focus on daily nourishment rather than harsh treatments or quick fixes. It is important to understand that hair growth takes time. Hair grows in cycles and repair happens slowly. These foods do not produce instant results, but they support steady improvement. Consistency is far more important than quantity. Small, regular portions work better than large, occasional intake. Overeating does not speed up results and may upset digestion. These foods are not only beneficial for hair but also for overall health. They support bones, muscles, digestion, and energy, making them valuable additions to a daily routine. This balanced approach helps the body age more healthily, which directly supports hair growth. If you found this information helpful, take a moment to like the video and support the channel. Subscribe for more simple and practical senior health tips designed to help you stay strong and confident as you age. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us where you are watching from. Taking care of your health today helps support stronger hair and better well-being in the years ahead.